What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Young Batman. You already know what it is. We out here dropping buckets, boy. And we are back with another video. And as you can see, this is an unboxing on those new Ja3 sneakers that came out last week during All-Star Weekend. So I did get the sneakers at Dub. So we're gonna go ahead and pop these open. I just received the box in the mail, so I don't know. We're gonna see this at the same time. This is a big box right here, so we're gonna go ahead and pop this open and see what these are looking like. Basically the final boss right here, you know what I mean? Waiting for them to arrive. Came really fast. I believe it was Saturday they dropped. Hit the Gotham screen, and today is now Thursday. Pretty good timing right here, so let's get these open. And these are the Ja3s, I believe. Don't get me wrong, it's collabed with the jewelry company. It's in the description. I don't want to butcher the name, so this is basically a collab. And this is my first Ja3 in the collection. Oh my goodness gracious. Box out here, don't need that. So big, knocking things over. So I'm gonna back up. This is what the box looks like right here. Here we have it. Crystals by Swarovsk. It's this side right here and this side right here. Hopefully we're getting, you can see it. We'll put it a little closer. Here you have it. It's pretty dope. And here, this is a big box. This is a very, very big box. And here you have it. Got the size 11, my size, and this is straight from Sneakers app. It's looking good. Get you another view of that right there. There you have it. Looking pretty good. Let's pop these open. Try and get the box open without damaging it. And again, okay. So got the box there, and this is, here it comes out of the box. This is pretty cool. As you can see, it's like a kind of like a briefcase type thing. That is cool. Okay. And as you zip, I'm gonna unzip it. This is my first time seeing these right here, so my first time seeing any type of unboxing. So let's go ahead and get this open. Oop. I think I had it upside down. So, oh yeah, look at this, look at this, look at this. Whoa. And as you can see in the box right here, it's got, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, it's got the little symbol of the collab. It says, you know, the crystals by. Hold this up so you can see how they arrive. Oh my goodness, they arrive like this, as you can see. Wow, super dope. They got the, you know, the JA. That was what caught my eye. I always like the Jaws with the JA on it. And right here, you got these two pouches that come with the grills that you can put on the shoe. So let's go ahead and take those out. Let's take the shoe out. Let's take the shoe out. These are beautiful. These things are blinging right here. You see this? Blinging, nice and icy. These things got a nice icy sole. The JA is, man, I'm gonna even wear these. These are crazy. The crystals, whew. And again, from my understanding, these were limited. So I did go for the Kobe's as well, and I hit on these. These look really nice. Got your, you know what I mean, emblem on the tongue. Got the Zoom X. These are fire. And here's the other one. These are looking really good. These are really looking good. And again, there you have it. And there, nice icy soles. And these, ooh, the crystals on the Nike check, but the JA is looking nice. And again, one thing I did see is these grills, so we'll go ahead and take the grills out. Comes with 2 sets of grills. You can put them on the shoes. So here you have it. There's the grill. You can put them on the shoe. I'm sorry, just focus in. There you go. And these are pretty much identical. They go right in. You can put them right on. I see you could put the laces through and wear it on the sneakers, which is really cool. That's you can't. I mean, that'd be kind of cool if you could like wear the grills, like, you know. And again, if you guys don't know, I am a Ja Morant fan. I'm wearing the jersey right now, and I think these are pretty fire. So there's the shoes. You got the presentation is phenomenal. I gotta say the presentation on these are great. Yeah, these are great. And guys, comment down below if you guys went for them, or if you guys went for the Kobe's, or did you guys or what's next on y'all radar? What's next on y'all radar? What y'all trying to cop next? I do know what's next on my radar, what I want. But yeah, these are pretty fire. I'm gonna show you the box one more time. I don't know if I showed you the other emblem. See right here has this, the collab, the jewelry company there, and then it's got his symbol there. Super dope, very, very cool. And man, I'm mind blown. I think these are phenomenal. And that's it for the video, y'all. Appreciate y'all. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, you know, and all that good stuff. Got my social media, my TikTok, my Instagram. It's all down in the description. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Appreciate y'all. Peace.